welcome. My name is Clara Bubenzer. I'm a gourmet culinary consultant, and I am here today to show you how to make your own chicken satays with our coconut and peanut sauce. So to start with making the satays, we need Gourmet Egypt chicken breasts that are fresh and chilled. They are hormone-free and antibiotic-free. I'm going to slice these thinly, marinate them with teriyaki sauce, which you can also get at Gourmet, and then we're going to skewer them. So what you'll see when you take the chicken breast out is that you have what they call mini fillets. So this little piece inside. Simply trim it off and we'll skewer that separately. Then I'm going to slice down and make chicken strips like this and put them in a bowl that we can then marinate them in. I think that chicken satays are best when you make them at home because you can control how much soy sauce, how much sodium you put on, and it's a great way for a quick snack if you need to entertain or you've got your friends coming over. It's a nice summer snack, winter snack, all year round snack, and also lovely for the kids. The best thing about teriyaki sauce is that you get a whole bunch of flavor without having to make it yourself, and you can buy it from the gourmet stores and simply drizzle it over the chicken like this. And then marinate it. Make sure it really gets in everywhere. Don't be scared to use your fingers. And this, we're gonna let marinate for about half an hour. So it's been half an hour in the fridge, and now I'm going to skewer them. Simply take your skewers and weave on the chicken, just like that. Take your time, do a bit of self-contemplation, some meditation. So I've got a hot frying pan over here. I can feel it's hot. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil just to coat the pan. I don't want too much. I don't want to fry them in too much oil. And then I am going to add the chicken skewers. Oh, that's a great sound. And we are ready to go. I'm going to prepare my plate with some fresh lettuce. Simply cut off some of the lettuce leaves. All right, let's plate these guys. Yummy. Who said you need to go out to get something like this? It really doesn't get any easier. And now for my favorite, the peanut coconut sauce. Simply do it like this. Bowl, squeeze, serve. And then I'm going to sprinkle them with a bit of sesame seeds like that and serve with lime wedges. And you're ready to go. Let's taste this one. It's amazing. It just come fresh from Thailand. The chicken is juicy and tender. The sauce is great and just lifts everything. This is a great recipe.